request all the members to kindly take their seats. Thank you.
सिंगल सोलो
मैं इधर जा रहा था। आप इधर चलो ना भाई। मैं
अन्ना लेफ्ट ला सेंटर सर लेफ्ट में सर लेफ्ट
अन्ना एक मिनट मैडम अंदर
सुनिए सर लेफ्ट में
Yeah. So, sir, I hope that you finally found your speech. I hope you finally found your
I've got a lot of friends from the media that are going to help me find it.
Okay, so I think we need to wait for that moment then. But sir, firstly, thank you so much for having us, all of us here for this celebrating this launch, and we are so excited that we are incorporating this new culture, a healthy culture towards our routine lives with a taste. So thank you so much, Mr. Shetty and the team. And now, finally, it's the time that we all have been waiting for. The Spooch reveal, the internet, the media, everyone wants to know what Spooch is. So, shall we proceed towards Spooch? Sir, could you please take the stage there for the grand revealing of Spooch? Yes, please.
दिख नहीं रहा है।
अरे सर दिख नहीं रहा है सर सही है कोई आगे मत
आगे मत जाओ। अरे खड़े हो ना क्यों हिला रहा है?
अरे सर एक मिनट सर
अरे सामने खड़े हो गए बोल नहीं हो।
ना थोड़े से पूरे
Big round of applause, everyone. Finally, the most awaited conference, Neeraj and
फुल पेमेंट ना रे।
फुल फ्रेम नहीं मिल रहा है अन्ना सेंटर में अरे सोलो कर रहे हैं
brains behind.
hold सेंटर
The product developers, thank you so much for bringing this amazing beverage out to us.
हो गया?
हाँ सोलो
अन्ना एक सोलो भाई तुमचा आपका एक बोल चाहिए। हां बस क्या करते हो यार? अन्ना सेंटर अन्ना समोर अरे ये बाबा तुझा फ्लॅश आहे ना तिकडे हो ना तो थँक्यू
Alright,
Well,
can you be seated so that we can move further with our event, ma'am? Can you please be seated? Mr. Neeraj, are you having the teaser played right now? Are we ready with the teaser? So before that, sir, we had a contest.
चलो रे बैठो
Yes, sir.
ये बैठो चलो
You had to guess what Spooch is, and we have a winner who has come all the way from Delhi, and he's your biggest fan, sir, and he guessed it right that this could be a healthy beverage, which is a kombucha. So can I have Mr. Anirudh Sharma from Delhi? A big round of applause.
Looks like he's
Oh,
come
photo.
straight from the gym, no?
Yeah.
फोटो यार ये पीछे ना कहाँ घुस जा रहा है? पीछे ट्राइपॉड लगा ना आजा सेंटर
Yeah, thank you so much, Anirudh. And we have a small hamper for his biggest fan. Thank you. Okay, are we ready with the teaser or? So all eyes on the screen, please.
क्या लाइक
थैंक यू। जब भी किसी ब्रांड के साथ मिलते हैं आपने बताया कि ये मैं खुद इसका यूज़ करता हूँ और मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है। जब भी मैं कोई ब्रांड को सपोर्ट करूँ तो उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है कि मैं खुद उसका यूज़ करूँ। ये अपने आप में बहुत ही बड़ी बात होती है। आप यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
ऑफ कोर्स और हूँ और इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि वाकई में एक हेल्दी ड्रिंक है और आजकल बहुत सारे एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स चल रहे हैं, तो ये एक टेस्टी हेल्दी ड्रिंक है, ऑल नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, ज़ीरो I'd say rather 100% फ्रॉम अ हेल्थ पर्सपेक्टिव और गट के पर्सपेक्टिव से मैं खुद कंज्यूम करता हूँ, और इसलिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एप्लीकेशन नहीं है, ये कंज्यूम करने की चीज़ है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई आई एम सो श्योर अबाउट बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ब्रांड एंड मेंटोरिंग द ब्रांड.
सर थोड़ा सा और क्या कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे? अन्ना जी आज हमारे साथ में हैं, कितना बड़ा ब्लेस्ड मोमेंट था आपके लिए, मैडम के लिए?
We are blessed to have him, to be honest, with us. But as he rightly said, the most important part about this drink is there is zero preservatives. I mean, आज नारियल पानी या नींबू पानी को भी अगर बॉटल में डालते हैं तो we have to put preservatives. We are not using any preservatives. Even the ingredients and the flavors which we are having, there is nothing artificial. We used as Chef Niyati, who is our lead curator, and she is the brain behind the flavors. When she said about the ingredients, we really mean by every ingredients are real, raw, farm fresh, farm produced. So that's make this more interesting, more consumable, and as sir is associated, we are more than happy and proud of this moment that we are getting this platform, reaching out to everyone for the coming generation, and that's when we all are proud to have this drink for everyone in the market in time to come.
अन्ना जी, क्योंकि आप इसके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं, तो आप चाहेंगे कि और ढेरों सारे लोग आए, इससे एसोसिएट हों, जुड़े?
I think, of course, from a consumer perspective, yes, बहुत सारे लोग ट्राई करें और एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स से रिप्लेस करें इसको, कंजम्पशन में खास करके आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे, आप फ्लेवर्स ट्राई करेंगे, देसी फ्लेवर्स है, देसी प्रोडक्ट है. जो सबसे बड़ी बात यही होती है हमेशा कि कुछ भी देसी अगर कोई नए बच्चे लाने की कोशिश करते हैं और मैं जुड़ सकता हूँ उसके साथ, तो बहुत ही बढ़िया.
मैडम, वुड यू लाइक टू ऐड समथिंग, एंड कितने फ्लेवर्स हमें दिखाई देंगे?
आप वी आर लॉन्चिंग 6 फ्लेवर्स राइट नाउ. हम 6 वी गिविंग ओट टू 6 डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया, फ्रॉम गुजरात, ओडिशा, नागालैंड. 6 फ्लेवर्स, 6 यूनिक, हम बोलेंगे उस स्टेट की एक स्पेशलिटी को हमने एक बॉटल में क्यूरेट करना, वी हैव ट्राइड टू क्रिएट दैट. सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, आप लोग सब ट्राई कीजिए और हमें बताइए कैसा है.
योर फेवरेट फ्लेवर जो आपने टेस्ट किया हो? और आप
नागा पेपर, गोरखेरी, तुलसी, लेमन, सारे फ्लेवर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन दीज आर सम ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स. थैंक यू
सो मच.
एब्सोल्युटली. जिम करने वालों के लिए ही नहीं, जो भी हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल चाहता है, जो भी चाहता है कि अपना गट हेल्थ हेल्दी रखे, तो वो देखिए आज हम सौंफ और इसका और उसका पानी पीते ही हैं क्योंकि वो नेचुरली हेल्दी है, और ये ऐसा ड्रिंक है जो नेचुरली हेल्दी है. और आप कहीं भी जाएँ तो कभी कभी फोर्सफुली अपने को, मैं फंस जाता हूँ कहीं भी जाता हूँ क्योंकि दारू पीता नहीं, पानी के अलावा फिर कुछ मिलता नहीं है तो नींबू पानी पी लेता हूँ. लेकिन आज अगर ऐसे ड्रिंक मुझे मिल जाए किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में या किसी पार्टी में जाऊँ, तो मैं ज़रूर पहले इसी के लिए मांगूंगा क्योंकि ये डबल वैमी है, टेस्टी भी है और हेल्दी भी. शुक्रिया. थैंक यू.
अन्ना सेंटर में, अन्ना इकडे, ये जाऊँ बाजूला, ये जाऊँ तुम्हारा वो काय तो बाजू वाले को दे. अरे हमको जाने दो. अन्ना अन्ना हो प्रसन्न ना, प्रसन्न फोटो पाहिजे. बॉम्बे टाइपला बोलतो स्टेज पाहिजे. अरे हात आहे. आता पियाला सांगा नको. ओपन भी हो गया. पीना एकदम रात्री पिणार आहे. सकाळी दुपार, सकाळ दुपार संध्याकाळ रात्री जग पितो. आम्ही सगळे घ्या. बाटली घे ना
ये वीडियो बना रहे
हा बनतोय हा ये संध्याकाळी बोलू रे फॅशनची पार्टी आहे लाईन कौन है यार चलो हो गया ये भाई थाम ना यार सब नीरव वाटर अरे सत्य
As we wrap this event, thank you so much. Thank you very much. I would for supporting us for this
Thank you. Wait. Thank you. Thank you.
Your thoughts on Smooch, so can you please share some words on Smooch with us?
I think more than my words, it's very important that everybody gets a taste of it. For me, it is genuinely a gut-friendly drink, and I honestly believe that health starts from the gut, and that's why you always say a gut feeling. जब आदमी नर्वस होता है कहीं जाता है तो यहीं पर गड़बड़ होता है, यहीं से हेल्थ की गड़बड़ भी शुरू होती है, इंसान ठीक भी होता है. So I think this is one drink that is going to be healthy. And you could replace with it with a lot of drinks. तो बच्चों के लिए अच्छा है, बुजुर्गों के लिए अच्छा है, हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. You know, instead of having all the other so-called aerated drinks, of course लोगों को बहुत सारी drinks पसंद है, to each his own. लेकिन ये एक healthy option जो हम लेके आ रहे हैं, उससे I think बहुत फर्क पड़ जाएगा. Because anyways, whatever I do look into, I make sure कि जब किसी चीज़ को हम बेचने की कोशिश करते हैं, हम खुद भी उसे कंज्यूम करना ज़रूरी है और उसमें बिलीव करना ज़रूरी है. तो इसीलिए I think Smooch will work, Kombucha will work. Kombucha is known to work all over the world anyways.
Alright, thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful words. But before we proceed with the press conference, I have few questions for you, and I'm sure they're really fun and very interactive. So the first question goes, if you could pair Smooch with any food, what would be your top pick?
With breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Very good answer. So that's really healthy that you can it, have it anytime and
Absolutely. I mean, बहुत लोगों को आदत है कि खाने के साथ कुछ drink चाहिए. And if one had to take a drink, I would definitely opt for spooch. Not because I'm a part of it, because it's healthy.
Alright, thank you so much. So the next question that goes, if, it's my favorite question, if Shyam from Hera Ferry had to convince Babu Rao to try spooch, what would he say to him?
ले रे बाबा.
Alright, if you could drink only one flavor of spooch throughout your life, which flavor would it be?
I won't have made sure that Neeraj and the entire team make 6 flavors and we're looking for more. Why would I drink one? So I'm definitely going for all 6 because I really like it. There's tulsi, lemon, curry. There's so much and it's tasty
Absolutely.
and healthy.
I'm sure. And last question, if you could create a special edition flavor of spooch inspired by one of your movies, what would it be called and what would it taste like?
Border. And it will taste good because spooch crosses all borders. It's a drink for anybody, anywhere in the world. So I'd call it border.
Wonderful. A big round of applause for Sir. For lovely answers. And now I would like to call upon the brains, as I say, the founders, Mr. and Mrs. Manik here. And I have just 2 questions for both of you. Can we get the mics for them, please? Alright, so one of the question is, what's the most unusual ingredient that you've experimented with in your brewing process?
Well, I think Niyati would agree to this. Gold curry is one of the flavors that we've given over to Gujarat. That's a flavor I don't think we've seen anywhere anybody using it in a beverage. It's always been a pickle that's been consumed by Gujaratis and everybody around the world, but we've tried to utilize that in a beverage, which is the kombucha that we've made. And yes, Niyati's created an amazingly tasty flavor. Niyati, would you like to say something about gold curry? I mean, for me, that was tricky. I remember we discussing about that, and it's turned out amazing, guys. Everybody, please, we have a spooch bar right after the session. Everybody try the flavors, whatever you like, and just grab a bottle and let us know how you feel about it. Niyati, to you.
I just think somewhere, me being half from South India and I'm half Gujarati, I've grown up eating chunda and gold curry with my theplas at home, and it would be wrong for me to not maybe see how I can explore the flavor more and bring it in almost a drink format. So I think that was my childhood was sort of my inspiration behind gold curry.
Thank you. Can't agree more because I'm a Gujarati myself and gold curry is my favorite with theplas, of course.
The bowl has the curry also. Two who tango together and two of them who really worked hard on the ingredients. So I think all the 4 youngsters that are there here, they've done a phenomenal job and I wish you the very best. There's another very interesting fact that, of course, I knew all along, but I think Niyati discussed that today and she mentioned it to me. There's this one particular flavor called the Naga pepper, and that's a very beautiful flavor. That is one of Aman's and Tia's most favorite drink. Why is the Naga pepper so difficult to get? I think that's something that is very, very interesting when it comes to the non-availability. Sometimes it's not available. The drink might not just be available for 6 months. And there's a reason behind it. What's that reason?
So the thing with Naga pepper is it's one of the rarest ingredients, not just in India but in the world. The only reason for its rarity is because it's actually found in the forests of Nagaland. So even if you try to, you can't grow it. You can only forage for it. And the tribal people, they know exactly where to really find this, and they go ahead and they get the Naga pepper. So as Sir rightly put, sometimes you might not even get it in season. So it's
like
very
truffle.
rare. Yeah, it's like truffle.
Thank you so much for wonderful insights. I have a question for you, Neeraj. Can you share a funny or unexpected story that happened during the creation of Spooch?
It's a long journey, guys. First of all, thank you everyone for coming here. We really appreciate the monsoon, the traffic, the trains, and everything has been here today. We appreciate all of your presence today. Coming to your question, Saloni, yes, there have been many instances we have experienced during this process of 8 to 9 months where we have created or reached till here. One thing specifically which I would relate to from the generation today, when I discussed about kombucha with my kids, and we always say, like Sir mentioned, that it is not bar of any borders or age, because this drink do cater guilt-free from toddlers to grandparents. And one thing which we were amazed, and it was funny kind of, because I didn't know kombucha a few months, or I would say a couple of years back. When I spoke to my daughters, I have 2 little daughters, and when I spoke to them, I was, to my surprise, they knew what kombucha is and how good it is for the health. So Kajal and I were like, to my surprise, that today's generation knows where the healthy things are available, and at least they are educated. So that was something which was funny, which was to our notice.
That was funny, but it was very good that the youth, the future generation is getting more aware, especially for the healthier beverages. So thank you so much for the wonderful insights. And now I request, please, Niyati and all, kindly take your seats. Moving further with the press conference, audience, now it's your turn to ask the questions. Feel free to ask any questions regarding the brand, the product, Smooch. Sir, may I have you and Mr. Neeraj CJ? Over to you, audience. Mr. Neeraj, please may have a seat. And
अलग से बाइट कर लेंगे
would also like
यहाँ से हम
you
कुछ
to have
कब
some
से जा रहे हैं ट्रेन में
help answer the questions.
वो बाइट कर लेगा हाँ
Alright, so with President and then once again I request all of you. No personal questions, only brand related questions. Any questions?
No questions. Let them taste it. Actually, you got a question.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, I would like to ask, how were you? What was your introduction to kombucha? How did you?
I think I tried it first in the US of A, and because I was looking for a drink other than lemonade, and a friend of mine offered it to me, and I really liked it, and I felt it made a big difference to the way I felt after food or after I consumed it. And then it was when Sagar came to me with Niyati, I think it was Sagar more so, with a friend of mine, Ramesh ji, who's also here, and said, you know, these kids have come up with something brilliant and you need to look at it. And when I heard the name kombucha, I said, this is worth a try. And then I think I tried the Naga pepper for the first time. And that's when I said, you know, this is something that will make a big difference to children, because मीठे की जो हमारी आदत है कभी जाती नहीं है, ड्रिंक के हिसाब से हो या डिज़र्ट के हिसाब से. So I think this makes for a beautiful companion with food or otherwise.